Zone. I'm gonna go for some kind of Indonesian restaurant. I'm gonna give it a shot. So I think that's my driver. Didi Saga, that's you?
Mane Rossi.
Yeah, that's me. Let's go. And it's pissing down since this hour. I don't think so. It's gonna be end up pretty quick. It seems like we got on the wrong address, so we're going on the right way. The driver, he took me first in the wrong restaurant, and in the end of the day we find out the restaurant and it's closed. It's just up there, and see over there the whole line is closed due to the rain. I cannot go to the restaurant I was planning to, so at the moment I stuck here in a K convenience store. And I find out I need some candles. 41. Alright, my friend, I'm gonna get this one. Because it's free.
This 55,000.
Alright.
900. Here it is. Your chance, brother.
Alright, cheers, man. Driver would be here in 4 minutes. So he's coming in. So yeah, hopefully I'm not that much trouble for ya. So I'm just gonna go. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Just a heavy rain. I don't think so I can go continue. But my driver is somewhere here on that way. And I think I text him. This is that Toyota one. DK, oh, okay, that's one, my driver. So I'm just gonna go up this rain. It's pretty bad rain. So coming to pick me up, I appreciate it. Yeah.
This is my job, yeah.
Yeah, no, not doing good job. Yeah, I didn't want to cancel it because if I cancel it, the next driver would be taking same time, you know?
Yeah,
So,
you're right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So